Stop spending $7 a day at coffee shops. This compact espresso machine brings 20 bars of pressure and instant cold brew right into your kitchen counter. Now we're going to do a full unboxing here and set up. Now I can see right out of the box, it has a sleek stainless steel finish, a suction cup feet so it won't slide while locking in the portafilter, and a huge 37-ounce water tank. It comes with everything you need, and it features a low-pressure pre-infusion NTC precision temperature control, customizable single and double shot volumes, and a dedicated cold brew extraction button. In addition to the heavy-duty portafilter and the single shot stainless steel filter baskets, the espresso scoop, and integrated tamper, it features a 37-ounce transparent water tank and a detachable stainless steel drip tray. It gives you everything you need to know. It tells you step by step how to make each type of beverage. Now we've run a clear measure of water as recommended through the machine to get it ready for its first use. So we're going to press the on button here, and we have espresso, espresso for two, a cold brew, Americano, a custom, there's a clean cycle and a steam cycle. So this is the great machine. Now it has a lot of great features. It's stainless steel, sleek system. It looks great on my counter. It's very classic and it doesn't take up much space, but it offers a lot of functions. So let's get started on all of those functions. Now first we're going to make a cup of Americano. That's what I drink most of the time, and the system for espresso is exactly the same. It's the same step. It's just really the amount of coffee that you put in and the button that you press. So I have a regular size coffee cup. I have an espresso cup here to show you the difference. Now some espresso cups are a little bigger than this, but this is about the size cup of coffee you will get with an espresso, and you can do one or two of these. Now see, this is the portafilter, and it has two different options that you can choose from: a single cup or a double cup, or if you like a lot of coffee like I do, I'm going to use the double cup so I can make a cup of Americano, which is just more coffee. And we're going to scoop with the provided scoop my favorite coffee in here. Now you can grind your own or use pre-ground coffee, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to fill this up, and a little more than one scoop is just right for my Americano cup. Now it's recommended that you use this tool to tamp it, and that just presses it down so you get a good extraction, and it fits right into the machine perfectly. There is a little notch right here. This is where you're going to line up on the machine. It's kind of under here. You have to kind of bend over to see it, but after you get the hang of it, you'll know exactly where it is. But there is a unlock and a lock button. So we're going to slip that little notch right in that unlock spot, and then we're going to push it to the right, and we're going to give it a hard twist. Now it is perfectly sealed and ready to go. Okay. We're going to turn it on. We're going to press Americano, and we're waiting for it to heat up. It's blinking. When it heats, there we go. Now we know it's time. I'm going to put my coffee cup right under here and let it do its thing. You can see right here, the delicious coffee is filling into my cup, and it lets me know my coffee is ready. I love black coffee, so I'm going to taste it, but we're also going to show you the frothing method. Oh, look, it's delicious. So beautiful. It's whipped and frothy already. I love a good cup of coffee. Delicious. Oh, it's so rich and so good. And I just used average coffee grounds. If you use some specialty coffees, it would be even better. Oh my gosh, it's really, really delicious. Now I'm going to show you how we do the frothing. Now, I put my milk of choice, cream, whatever you choose. I'm going to put it under. I'm going to press on, steam. Going to let it heat up. It blinks until it's ready. When it's solid and illuminated, then you know it's ready. Meanwhile, I'm going to drink my delicious cup of Americano. That is absolutely a delicious cup of coffee. I'm going to press steam and turn it on. This side button here is the steam button. It is frothing and it is so lovely. Pour it in and see my delicious cup of Americano. Next, we're going to do the cold brew. Now we want to fill the tank with ice water, and you want to use this within 10 minutes for the best results. I'm going to put a little more ice in here. Here the container is filled with ice, so that helps make a better cold brew, and it's not more than the maximum, about maybe a quarter to a third of ice. We'll slip it in the back and turn it on. This time I'm going to press the cold brew. And I have my cup under here with ice, and it will do its thing. To press that cold brew button a second time. The first one is for heating, the second one is to start the process. You can see it's filling up beautifully, and it beeps when it's finished. Look at that, a delicious cold brew. Your favorite straw? Delicious. This is a great, great espresso maker. I love all the different options, and it's really easy to use and takes up very little foot space on my counter. This was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and I highly recommend it. I love the sleek, contemporary look, and the flavors are delicious. I think you'll be very pleased.